Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix shaky video and make it run smoothly. So to begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. And as you can see, this video is really shaky and we need to smoothen this out. To fix this, all you need to do is to go over to the effects tab over here and search for the warp stabilizer effect. And apply this warp stabilizer effect onto your video clip over here. Next, move over to effects control. And under the warp stabilizer, scroll down to the advanced feature over here and select the drop down menu and scroll down and change the value for crop less to 100 and hit OK. And we're just going to allow it to analyze in the background. And once this is done, you hit enter to render the frames. And as you can see, this is our final result. And that's it guys on how to fix shaky videos in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.